How to meal prep for weight loss in 2 weeks. A step-by-step guide. Meal prepping is a game changer. In today's video, we'll break down exactly how to prepare 2 weeks worth of meals to save time, reduce stress, and stick to your weight loss plan, all without sacrificing flavor. Start by creating a simple menu for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Keep things realistic. Focus on meals with lean proteins, whole grains, and lots of veggies. For example, grilled chicken with quinoa and steamed broccoli or overnight oats with berries are easy options to prep and store. Write down your menu ideas for the week using a planner, notebook, or meal prepping app. Each meal should be nutrient-dense, low in added sugars, and portioned appropriately. Pick meals you actually enjoy to make sticking to your plan easier and more sustainable. Once your menu is ready, make a detailed grocery list to avoid distractions at the store. Group your list by sections, like produce, proteins, grains, and snacks. Stick to nutrient-rich foods and avoid processed options. Trust us, this helps you stay on track and saves money too. Pro tip: buy in bulk for staples like rice, oats, canned beans, and frozen veggies. Fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables are great, but don't shy away from frozen ones. They're convenient, last longer, and are just as healthy. Dedicate one day to washing, chopping, and cooking your ingredients. Think of it as setting yourself up for success. Roast a variety of vegetables, cook multiple servings of grains, and portion out proteins like chicken or tofu. Use separate containers to keep everything organized. Focus on batch cooking versatile ingredients. For instance, one big batch of brown rice can be used for stir-fries, grain bowls, or as a side. This flexibility keeps your meals exciting while sticking to your weight loss plan. When putting meals together, aim for balance. Fill half of your plate or container with veggies, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with complex carbs. Top with healthy fats like avocados or seeds for flavor and satiety. Each portion should be tailored to your calorie needs. For example, pack lunches in storage containers with turkey meatballs, roasted sweet potatoes, and steamed green beans. Prepare breakfasts like pre-portioned Greek yogurt parfaits or egg muffins loaded with spinach and peppers. You'll be thankful for these grab-and-go options. Proper storage makes meal prep last. Use airtight containers to keep food fresh and organized. Use labels to indicate which meals are for which days to avoid confusion. Store items strategically in your fridge and freezer. Fresh salads, cooked meats, and grains go in the fridge, while soups and curries can be frozen for later. Rotating meals throughout the week prevents boredom and ensures variety in your diet. Weight loss isn't just about meals. Snacks and hydration matter too. Prep healthy snacks like veggie sticks with hummus, boiled eggs, or portioned nuts. Avoid chips and sugary treats that can derail your progress. Prepping snacks ensures you always have a guilt-free option on hand. Don't forget drinks. Keep a bottle of water handy to stay hydrated and avoid confusing thirst with hunger. Pre-make smoothies or green teas for flavorful, low-calorie options. Staying consistent with your snacks and beverages keeps cravings at bay and energy levels steady. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these steps, experiment with your favorite ingredients, and adjust portions to suit your goals. If you're short on time, try prepping just 3 meals per week to get started. Consistency is far more important than perfection in your weight loss journey. Meal prepping isn't just about food, it also builds discipline and keeps you accountable. As you stick to your plan, track your progress. Notice how your energy improves, cravings reduce, and weight starts to shift. Remember, every small step forward matters and brings you closer to your goals. Ready to take control of your weight loss journey? Start meal prepping. Grab a notebook, plan your menu, and dedicate time this week to prep your future meals. Subscribe to our channel for more practical health tips, and let us know your favorite meal ideas in the comments. Let's crush those goals together.